Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we expose online scams and separate real products from fake hype. Today's review is about Coellyo Lipstick, a product that's going viral and making some big promises. It claims one lipstick replaces 10+ shades, adapts to your natural pH, lasts all day, and works on every skin tone. But the big question is Coellyo Lipstick worth buying? Or is this just another internet trap? Let's find out. According to the official website, Coellyo Lipstick claims, it adapts to your natural lip pH, gives a unique color for every person, moisturizing and nourishing, clean, vegan, cruelty-free formula, long-lasting wear of 8+ hours. And they say one tube replaces more than 10 lipsticks. Sounds impressive. Almost too good to be true, right? Now let's talk facts. pH-based lipsticks are not new. They usually react with moisture and temperature, not some magical skin chemistry. In most cases, the custom shade ends up being the same pink tone for almost everyone, with very little difference. So the claim that it flatters every skin tone perfectly is more marketing than science. Here are a few things that raise questions. No clear ingredient breakdown on some seller pages. Heavy influencer and paid ad promotion. Limited independent customer reviews. Big discounts with urgency like, only today. No strong brand history or transparency. Also, replacing 10+ lipsticks with one tube is a huge exaggeration. So is Coellyo Lipstick a scam? It doesn't appear to be a complete fake, but it is overhyped. You may receive a basic color-changing lipstick, but don't expect luxury quality or miracle results. The promises are far bigger than the actual product. Our advice, if you're curious, buy only from a trusted seller and keep expectations low. If you want real quality, well-known cosmetic brands are a safer choice. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and comment below if you've tried Coellyo Lipstick. Stay alert, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next scam review. Thank you.